My head feels strange. I feel very dizzy. Max, stay near me. You saved me, Max. You saved my life. Help! Somebody help my dog!
Mom, Dad, look! There are so many dogs here. I am so happy. They are all so cute. I want to pet every one of them.
Take your time, kids. We need to find the right friend for our home.
Choosing a dog is a big responsibility. It is for a very long time. Hello there. Are you looking for a new family member today? Yes, we are. My children really want a dog. Well, this is Max. He is a very special boy.
Hi, Max. My name is Leo. You are a very good boy. Look at Max. He is so cute and playful. His eyes are so bright.
Yes, Max is very lovely and smart. He loves to play and make people smile. He is a happy little dog.
Oh, poor Max. He has very kind eyes, but looks a little bit lonely.
He is very loyal. Once he loves you, he will never leave you. He is a pit bull. Is he good with children? Yes, he is great with kids. He is very patient and gentle.
He is wagging his tail. He likes us, Mom. Look at him. Can we take him home? Please, Dad. He is perfect for us. Please, Mom. I love him already. Max is so nice.
I agree. Max is the perfect choice for our family.
Okay then, Max is coming home with us.
Yeah!
That is wonderful news. Let us go to the office to sign the papers.
Welcome to the family, Max. We are going to have so much fun. Here we are. Welcome to your new home, Max. Look at him go. Max is running around the living room.
He is very happy to be here. Max is a very smart dog.
Max is already listening. Look, he is sitting down near the sofa.
Mom, is it time to eat? I want to feed Max now.
Yes, Leo. It is important to feed him at the same time every day.
Okay, I am putting the dog food into his blue bowl. Max is eating everything. He is a very hungry boy.
Now, Mia, do you want to brush his beautiful brown fur?
Yes, please. I want Max to look very handsome.
Use this soft brush. Remember, you must be very gentle with him.
I am brushing Max slowly. He is wagging his tail. Can we go outside now? I really want to play with Max.
Let us go to the backyard first. We need to practice walking together.
Wait, I want to pet Max one more time. His ears are so soft.
You are doing a great job, kids. Taking care of Max is a team effort.
We love you, Max. You are our best friend now. Max is licking my hand. That means he loves us too.
Max is officially a very important part of our family.
Our home feels so much better with a brave dog like Max. It is such a beautiful sunset. The sky is so orange and pretty.
Come on, Max. Let's walk the path together, shall we?
Max, you are such a good boy, aren't you? Let's keep walking. Oh, wait. I feel a bit tired. The weather is a little hot. My head feels strange. I feel very dizzy. I need to sit down. Everything is spinning. I feel so weak. Max, stay near me. No. Max, are you okay? Please answer me. You saved me, Max. You saved my life. Help! Somebody help my dog! Please, someone help us. Max is hurt.
Lily! We are here. Are you okay?
Oh no! Look at Max! He is not moving! Max, please wake up! Dad, do something! Jack, call 911 now! We need a doctor for Max!
I am calling them now. Stay calm, everyone. Hello? This is an emergency. My dog is badly hurt near the railway.
I am holding Max's paw. It is very cold.
It is my fault. He pulled me away from the train.
The ambulance is coming. We must be brave for Max.
Hurry up! Please, save our best friend! Look! I see the lights. The help is here. Please hurry up. Max is a hero. He saved my mommy.
Let us put him gently in the car. We are going to the animal hospital now.
Dad, it is very late. Is Max going to be okay?
We must wait, Leo. The doctors are working very hard right now.
I am scared. The hospital is so quiet and cold.
Come here, Mia. Let us sit together. Max is a very strong dog.
Look, the doctor is coming out of the room now. Hello? Are you the family of Max?
Yes, we are. Please, doctor, tell us, how is he?
I have some good news. Max is alive. He is going to recover.
Oh, thank you, Doctor. Can we see him now?
Wait, there is one thing. His front leg was very bad. We had to remove it to save his life.
What? You mean Max only has 3 legs now? That is so sad.
Poor Max. He cannot run like before.
Do not cry, kids. Max lost a leg, but he saved a life.
That is true. He is not just a dog. He is a real hero.
Max is very brave. He is sleeping now, but he is safe. We will help him walk again. We will never leave him.
You are right, Dad. We will be brave for Max, too.
Look, everyone. Max is awake. He is looking at the warm sun.
Hi, Max. We are so happy to see you. You are a very strong boy. Max, we have a surprise for you. Please stay still and rest. I made this medal for you, Max. This is your gold medal, Max. It says you are the best hero in the world. We made it for you last night. We are very proud of you, Max.
It is okay that you have only 3 legs now. We love you even more.
You are a very brave dog, Max. You are a real hero for our family.
A family stays together in hard times. We will help you walk and play again.
We will never leave you, Max. You are a part of our family forever. We're right here with you. Everything is going to be okay.
That is right. A family is about love. We always take care of each other.
I am so proud of us. Max is a hero, but we also learned that every life is special, no matter how many legs they have.
That is true. Even small acts of kindness make a big difference.
I have a quick question for you. Where did our family meet Max for the very first time? A, at the park. B, at the Animal Rescue Center. Or C, at the beach. Comment your answer below. It is the best way to practice your English.
By the way, where are you watching from? What is your city or country?
It is amazing to see people from all over the world learning together. We are a big family here.
Did you know that our story about Max is inspired by a real event? In 2012, a woman named Christine Ben fainted on a train tracks in the USA. Her brave dog, Lily, did not run away when a large train came. Instead, Lily used all her strength to pull her owner to safety. The train driver saw a heroic dog's effort. Just before the impact, Christine was saved, but Lily was badly hurt and lost her leg. This live masking out video. Our story is fictional, but it is based on this amazing true story of love and loyalty. Lily became a symbol of a real hero, showing us that animals are truly our best friends. I'm so happy you stay with me until the end. You are doing a great job. In our story, Jack said, "We are proud of you." Did you notice that? To be proud of someone means you feel very happy because they did something brave or good, just like Max and Lily did. Using this phrase is a wonderful way to encourage your friends. Keep learning and practicing every day. Your English is getting better and better. You can do it. See you in the next story. Goodbye.